Burnt pie. The chicken ones and the pasties are good. The pasty up there. Big Dune on our Desert to Dunes tour day 1. Rodney having his 4th or 5th crack at Big Dune. Almost made it last time, so he's trying to get there. Pretty hopeful. I reckon he's lost it this time. No, almost. Got slightly further last time, I reckon. Auto. Oh, he's up it. Oh. That's further than both. That's further than both of you boys. Once it starts to bog in, 3rd low will keep that power on. It's good momentum. That's good. That's good. That's good. Oh. Close. Keen. It's keen. Go. You can do it. Ah. It's going off down a silly runner. Currently Ambrose. Oh, he's going all the way. He's going all the way.
Oh, please.
Kev, the big dog. Oh, no.
He's Tommy coffee cup.
That's the winner chicken dinner. That's the highest we've had so far. He's touching the top.
I thought it was a diesel. It was a V6 diesel.
V6
okay.
diesel, yeah.
Sounds alright, doesn't it?
Oh, he's over. He's over. He's over.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on, over here. Oh my God, he's speeding.
The Off-Road Tradies wouldn't be possible without our sponsors and supporters. You can find the Off-Road Tradies on Instagram and Facebook.